salt, well, what is this? Hello, my name is Lincoln. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pancake ingredients on flour, butter, sugar, and salt, and baking powder, milk, and egg. First, you have to do powder, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Mix it up. Oh my God, my hands are getting so dirty. My hands are not even dirty. Are you serious? My hands are even dirty. Done. And stir it. Access it, axle mixing, put it on the side. First you have to put the eggs inside. Whoa, eggs. First add milk. That's a lot of milk. Can I do it again?
All of it.
Okay. Wow, it's getting so full. Whoa, oh my! And the milk and the egg together. Combine. This is so hard. How long it will take? Is it 1,000 days to take this? Next, we have to put the milk and the egg together to the flour. Oh my goodness, that's so cool! I never believe this. You never believe this. If you say ew, it's so good. Ooh, this is so good. Okay, I'm nearly done. Put it in. My hands. Put it in the milk and flour and egg. Ooh, smells good. Oh my God. It's stuck. Why is the butter stuck?
Say it again.
Keep mixing it. Okay, I really need more food. To cook this, you need help from Mom and Dad.
Okay, go.
Thank you. Triangle, please. Here you go. Let go. On your heart. You can choose different shapes too. Okay,
What's this?
Bag.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Bear. I don't see the bear's face. And bag. Gingerbread man. Today we're gonna take them out. Okay, take them. I will take the gingerbread first because I love gingerbread. And the bear. Where's the bear? one bag. You can put fruits in syrup, but I prefer plain. Well, what about... Is that right? Can I eat it? Yes? Okay, click the subscribe button. Peace out. Peace out. We can talk. I'm so hungry. You talk about the video. Thanks for watching.